Hello YouTube. It's spring. It's time to take care of our equipment. I thought I'd work on my FS130 with you. You know, checking everything, replacing, greasing, etc., so that I have an uneventful summer. So let's start out with fuel filter. And you can use a bent piece of wire to do this. I have this nifty trick. And we want to go fishing. I can't see from standing over there. And I had it, but I wasn't going to force it up. There we go. Now, that looks clean as a whistle. Actually, I believe I changed this recently. It should be changed at a minimum of every year. I'd done some work with the soft attachment that I have on it, and it's terrible to have arthritis. You can't even take those on and off easily. All right, let's see. I tell you, the air filter is really, really important. Stuff will damage your engine. That's not too bad. As you can see, it's clean in there. That means the filter was working. Put a new one in. We're going to use a CMR6H or a 3365. It doesn't need to be replaced. Be sure you get it started correctly, because if you don't, you'll strip it out. I like to use anti-seize on the threads. Makes it come out like a whole lot easier. Now, your gear head, of course, has gears in it that needs to be so a 13 millimeter will break that bolt. Now I use this on so many things, like you know, the bearings and the saws and so forth, but this is actually what this is for. And you screw that in. Now you don't overpack it. That's not what you're supposed to do. Make sure everything's clean on your threads. and give it a good tighten. And that's good for another year. You know, if you've never tried these, I don't mind having to stop and put them in. I think these work a bunch better than bump. But anyway, so now that we've done that, what we're going to do now you don't want it thick. Just going to put a good coating on it. Turn it till you catch it. And I'm going to put this head back on it. Okay, so that pretty much concludes the maintenance on it. Checking the screws. And another thing is at the end of the summer, because I did it fairly recently, the valves on this, and as long as it pulls, fairly easily, that's not a sign that it doesn't need to be done. But if it's hard to pull, it is a sign that it needs to be done. It needs to be checked anyway. I like to do it yearly. So YouTube, I hope you found this helpful. This will work on any trimmer. They're all basically the same. This one has a solid shaft, but even the ones that don't have that are still have to be greased. It's all real important. Okay, I like you a lot. Enjoy my time with you. Thanks. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate your support. The Chainsaw Kit Guy out.